玄语录带来圆满的法语甘露，让我们一起聆听今天的双语圣玄语录第10之8期，主题心念、自信、坐禅。心念与自信是坐禅2大要件，如何调伏令其不动，则是功夫。首先共享着力心念不起，方得自性不动。六祖坛经云：外于一切善恶，心念不起，名为坐；内见自性不动，名为禅。经典教导，坐禅的关键重点在于心念不起，方能终至照见我人终其本质，自性如如不动的寂灭特质。唯有如此，生命的自由度不受现象界的风吹草动所影响，烦恼不再升起，根本智慧彰显，照破一切无明与烦恼。这就是坐禅的精要。以下让我们共享义物异于物，生命自由度。荀子修身篇云：君子异物，小人异于物。意指智者善于驾驭外来物，小人则反被外来物所控制。坐禅其实就是心念的驾驭与调伏，以利正确彰显自性之如如不动。禅修最受益的就是止观，所谓止，意指主动停止妄心，取而代之，以超越二元对立的本心，观者观照 contemplation 如如不动的本性 self nature。综而观之，止与观如若无法发挥其主动权，则势必被动地被妄想烦恼所束缚。一言之，坐禅就是正确应用主动权以调伏心念，终至明白超越善恶二元对立的不二中道甚深义理，必亦以清净本心照见我人本性之湛然不动，发挥生命的自由度，据此降服一切烦恼，终至圆正菩提。以下共享圣玄结论：无碍清净慧，皆依禅定生。圆觉君云：无碍清净慧，皆依禅定生。世间的权贵名利，因为起心动念而牵动诸因缘和合，形成二元对立的现象界。至于无碍清净慧，则是现象界背后的终极本质 ultimate reality， 它是不生不灭、如如不动、周遍宇宙的平等智慧，因为它具有不生不灭、寂静不动、不被污染的特性。借由主动停止妄念，升华思维，超越二元对立的束缚，以不二中道的清净智慧，彰显如如不动的自性，是谓禅定。觉期轩永远走在时代魅力前沿，即日起全面双语播出，用心教会全球每一位读者。觉期轩是众生的直灯引路人。Let's share Master Sunshine's attitude brings Dharma words and nectar. Let's share number 10 to 8. Topic: Chitta, self-nature, meditation. Chitta and self-nature are two essential elements of meditation. The practice lies in how to tame to get still. That is the cultivation. Let's share to tame to keep still. The Platform Sutra of the Sixth Patriarch states, apart from all good and evil, with thoughts not arising is called sitting. Internally observing the unmoving self-nature is called meditation. The scripture's teachings are as follows. The fundamental essence of the meditation lies in preventing the arising of the thoughts. Then practitioner can ultimately perceive the suchness of inherent nature. The freedom of life remains unaffected by the turbulence of the phenomenon world. Suffering ceases to arise, and a fundamental wisdom shines forth, dispelling all ignorance and entanglements. The essence of meditation hereby manifests. Let's share active and passive taming, freedom of life. As the Xunzi Cultivating the Self chapter states, the noble person commands objects. Objects command the petty person. This implies that the wise are skilled at controlling external elements, while they hold pity. Meditation, in reality, involves the mastering and restraint of thoughts, thereby facilitating the accurate manifestation of the unmoving characteristic of self-nature. In meditation practice, the most beneficial aspect is samatha vipassana. The term samatha refers to actively seizing the forgetfulness of the mind in its place, the original inner sense, transcending dualistic opposites, take its role Vipassana involves contemplation, observing the unmoving inherent nature of self-nature. In summary, when it comes to samatha and vipassana, if their active authority cannot be exerted, one will inevitably be passively bound by forgetfulness and afflictions. In simpler terms, meditation entails the correct utilization of active agency to subdue thoughts, ultimately leading to the profound understanding of the non-duality middle way beyond the dualism of good and evil. This process aids in purifying the original mind, illuminating the unmoving nature of our inherent self, and unleashing the freedom of life. All afflictions result from this discipline to the perfection of the complete realization of enlightenment. Let's share Master Sangshan's conclusion. Pure Prajna wisdom, practice of meditation. As stated in the Sutra of Complete Enlightenment, unobstructed pure wisdom all arise from the practice of meditation. The worldly elites, power, prestige, and fame stir myriad causes and conditions, giving rise to the dualistic realm of phenomena due to the arising of intentions and thoughts. For the unobstructed pure wisdom is the ultimate essence behind the phenomenal world, an ultimate reality that is neither born nor extinguished, unmoving in its suchness, pervading the universe with equal wisdom, because it possesses the equalities of non-generation, non-extinction, tranquil stillness, and freedom from contamination by actively ceasing forgetfulness and refined contemplation, transcending the confines of dualistic opposition, and through the immaculate wisdom of non-dualism middle way, it manifests the unmoving self-nature of suchness. This is known as meditation. The Enlightened Online, forever leading the charm of the times, officially launched overall bilingual broadcast, dedicated to enriching every reader worldwide. The Enlightened Online, the guiding light for all beings.